Hi, today I'll show you how to remove family link or parental controls on Nokia 1.4. So, as you can see, we have our Nokia on the right side, and on the left side we have parent's phone. Let's update it and check if everything works. Yeah. So if we will try to stop supervision like normally, it will block our phone after 5 minutes, and it will tell our parents that we actually wanted to stop supervision. So that's not the thing that we want to do. So how can we remove our parental control? Let's just go to settings, then press Google. Now manage your Google account, then click on data and privacy. Scroll down, delete your Google account. Now enter your password. So now agree to use this one and also accept this too. And now press delete account. As you can see, it opens Opera to say that we just deleted the Google account. So let's just update parents' phone now. As you can see, it says that something isn't right. If we'll go back, that's it. Our phone, I mean Nokia 1.4, is gone. So as you can see, it also says that your Google account and all its data have been deleted. So that's mean that if we will go to settings, then we'll press Google. And we will go to parental controls. As you can see, there is nothing there because we just deleted actually a family link. That's great, but if you want to get your Google account back, then go to accounts, add account. Now press Google. Now we should enter our email. Press next. As you can see, this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. So press next. Now enter your password. And if you have this error when it says that something went wrong, that's pretty okay, because you can just press next, and all what you need to do is just enter your email and password one more time. Now press I agree, accept, and that's it. We just deleted our family link and restored our Google account. So that's it. Press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.